Guys, it's clickbait here today, and sick, still sick, and I might be making videos all week. And today I'll be trying to solve this Rubik's cube. It's like very fluffy. So yeah, and I'm gonna set a timer on my phone. Here, I'm gonna need a little hood. Yeah. So I need to tell you guys. I have nothing to say. So here's a stopwatch. My gosh. Why on YouTube stuff never focuses? Look, focus. Oh, I know. Wait. Stopwatch. Here we go. Stopwatch. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, so ready, set, go.
Historians will decide whatever they decide about us. How do you guys feel about who you are? I got 109 followers, so I feel pretty good no matter what happens. What's valuable? Celebrated Hospital, Penguin, South Florida, capital of Minnesota is St. Paul. That's
19 seconds.
Right? Isn't that great?
Well,
Charlie bit my tongue.
I need to fix it. It's on the right spot. I just need to fix it real quick.
If something that's important to us today is so easily replaced by something else tomorrow, we have to wonder if it ever really had any value at all. What can we learn from that?
Hold on, guys. I swear I'm not changing it at all. I just need to fix it because it's all messed up. There we go. See? It is completely solved. And it took me 19 seconds. 19.10 seconds. I think that's like my record or something. Okay, so now I'm going to switch it up.
Don't be influenced by somebody else's likes or clicks or favorites. Who should determine what you think?
Okay.
Go figure this out in the bay window. Class is over.
Boom. It's all messed up now.
Yes. What do you know? I know a lot of things. I know that we need to stick together. I know that the only way we can do that is if we're honest with each other.
So, ready, set, go.
We know who you are, Riley. You don't have to write down some fake profile for us to know who you are.
Yep.
I'd recognize you anywhere.
I stopped the watch, and it is completely good. And actually, this is actually harder because this is like styrofoam. I mean, no. I'm trying to get it in the right spot. Look, I can even show you guys. I'm not even switching it up. See, I'm not even switching it up. But yeah, other than that, see, it's always messed up. Well, anyway, it's all good, you know. And I just beat my record. And it was even mixed up more than last time. 7.23 seconds. That.
What you doing, boy?
Playing with this. You didn't know I had this?
My friend's class watched your YouTube videos today.
Are you serious?
Yep. You're welcome.
Hey, give me it!
Is this Heidi's?
No, that is mine. Stop. Give it. It's mine. Hold on, guys. I need to fix this up real quick. You mix it up. So now I need to mix it. Hold on. This isn't supposed to be like this.
Step away from the internet.
I need it.
I finally made my own profile. I put down all my favorites. I put down everything that makes me who I am. Hey, I know you. Good. Let's watch this now. Maggie, who's your best friend? 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 Who's your best friend?
Here, hold on, guys. Well, anyway, that was my video. Yeah. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys don't forget to leave a like, share it to friends who enjoy, subscribe for new. Goodbye.